Now, Snoop Dogg ain't exactly a rookie in the rap game. He's been dropping hits for over 3 decades, collaborating with everyone from Dr. Dre to Katy Perry. With that kind of experience comes a certain price tag, and securing a verse from the dogg ain't cheap. So, buckle up, aspiring rappers and music enthusiasts, because we're about to break down exactly how much Snoop Dogg charges to light up your song. Straight from the dog's mouth. Back in April 2022, Snoop himself spilled the tea on the Full Send podcast. When the hosts hit him with the question everyone wanted to know, Snoop kept it real. He revealed that to snag him for a guest verse, you're looking at a cool $250,000, $250,000 to be exact. But wait, there's more. Think that hefty price tag covers everything? Think again. Snoop throws down some serious lyrical fire, but apparently, his time is even hotter. If you want the Dogfather himself to grace your music video, that'll be another $250,000 on top. Snoop even joked on the podcast that you better film fast because you only got an hour. Seems Snoop ain't got all day, and his schedule demands respect the hustle. Breaking down the cost. So, let's do some quick math. To get Snoop Dogg on your track, spitting rhymes and chilling in your music video, you're shelling out a whopping $500,000, $500,000. That's a hefty investment, and for some aspiring artists, it might seem like an impossible dream. Beyond the big bucks. Now, before you start panicking and hiding your mic, let's get real. There's more to getting Snoop Dogg on your track than just the cash. Firstly, Snoop isn't gonna jump on just any song. He's gotta believe in the music, feel the vibe, and know it's gonna be something special. Having a fire track and a solid reputation definitely helps your chances. Secondly, connections are key. Maybe you know someone who knows someone who's tight with Snoop. Networking in the industry can open doors that a simple wad of cash can't. Alternative routes. Alright, so the big budget Snoop Dogg feature might be out of reach for most of us. But fear not, there are still ways to incorporate a little Snoop magic into your music. Sample it. There are countless iconic Snoop Dogg lines out there. Dig through his vast discography and find a snippet that perfectly complements your track. Just be sure to clear the sample legally. Tribute tracks, feeling inspired by the dog? Write a song that pays homage to his style and influence. It's a fantastic way to show your respect and appreciation. Whoop-dee-doo, let's be honest, sometimes all you need is a classic Snoop Dogg ad-lib. A well-placed whoop-dee-doo can add an instant dose of Snoop Dogg flavor to your song. The power of hustle. Look, Snoop Dogg's price tag is high, there's no denying that. But remember, he's earned that price. He's a legend, a cultural icon, and his contribution can elevate your music to new heights. The important thing is to keep hustling, keep creating, and keep pushing boundaries. You never know, your dedication and talent might just catch the Dogfather's eye someday. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it lit.